Magandang araw mga ka-Arduino. Ang tutorial series na to ay para sa mga beginners. Kung interesado po tayo, consider naman po ang Arduino Starter Kit namin. Makikita ang Shopee link namin sa video description. Okay, let's start. Prepare po natin ang inyong machine for Arduino programming. Let's download the Arduino IDE and start the installation. Once na nasa Arduino website na tayo, go to download options, then click on Windows 7 and newer. Once nasa support the Arduino IDE screen na tayo, just click yung just download. Then, click Save File to download yung Arduino installer. Once download completed na tayo, go to the download folder. And let's begin the installation. On the download folder, right-click natin yung Arduino installer. Then select Run as Administrator. Sa User Account Control, click Yes to proceed with the installation. Sa Arduino Setup License Agreement, just click I agree. Then on the Windows, just leave as is. Click the next button. Sa destination folder naman, leave the default folder value. Just click on the install button. Let's discuss muna yung system requirements natin. Kailangan Windows 7 or newer yung OS natin. Minimum memory is 256 MB RAM and 600 MB disk space. CPU is Intel Pentium 4 or above. Pwede na yung mga second hand na laptop or desktop basta ma-met nga system requirements natin. Okay, completed na installation natin. Let's close this Arduino setup window and test natin yung Arduino IDE. Punta tayo sa desktop. Locate natin yung Arduino IDE shortcut, then double click. Once mag-open, successful yung installation natin. Okay, let's proceed sa Arduino driver installation natin to prepare yung Arduino UNO natin for connection. Okay, let's connect the USB cable sa Arduino UNO natin. Then connect the other end sa laptop. Kailangan mag-on yung mga LED niya to indicate na naka-power yung Arduino UNO natin. On your laptop, go to search icon naman. Then type control panel. Control panel, locate natin yung device manager. Sa device manager naman, locate natin yung ports, COM and LPT. As you can see, na-recognize as USB serial device yung Arduino UNO natin. This is incorrect. Kailangan nating install yung Arduino driver to properly recognize ang Arduino UNO device natin. Sometimes, hindi rin ma-recognize ng laptop natin yung Arduino UNO natin. Ang naka-display is nasa other devices. As you can see dito sa picture na pakikita ko. Same lang ang procedure to install the Arduino driver. Right click natin yung USB serial device. Ganon din procedure pag naka-unknown device ang display nyo. Then select update driver. Sa update drivers, click on Browse My Computer for Drivers. Sa next window, ensure na nakapoint sa Arduino Installation Driver folders. Click Next to proceed sa installation ng driver. Once ma-complete installation, click Close button. Then balik tayo dun sa device manager. You can see yung display natin is nagpalit na sa Arduino UNO. Meaning, na-recognize na ng machine natin ang Arduino board natin. Next step naman natin is let's proceed sa pag-upload ng test blink program sa Arduino board natin. As you can see right now, may dalawang naka-on na LED itong Arduino board natin, isang yellow and isang green. We will upload the blink program to turn on and off itong yellow na LED na to. Let's open up yung Arduino IDE natin. Double click. Then check muna natin kung naka-point sa tamang port yung IDE natin. Go to Tools, Ports, and COM port. As you can see, COM 3 siya. Same dun sa during installation natin ng Arduino driver. To load yung blink program, go to File, Examples, 01 Basic, then Blink. Mag-o-open yung Blink source code natin sa isang window. Maximize natin yung window. I-load na natin yung Blink program sa Arduino UNO. Click on the right arrow button sa top left ng screen. Then wait for completion message. Done uploading sa lower left section ng screen. Iilaw din yung 2 yellow LED natin pagka-complete na. You can see, nag-start nang mag-blink yung yellow LED natin sa Arduino board natin. Okay, we have successfully installed and tested yung Arduino IDE natin and Arduino board natin. Next sa series na to is we will make simple circuit using LED and LDR or light dependent resistor sensor, and we will explain how to control it.